But sir, screen is not visible, sir.
For whom? Whom it is not visible?
Snehal, sir.
Snehal.
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
Check your range. Probably network problem it seems. For others it is saying no.
Yes, sir.
Lina.
Sir.
Then Snail, it is your problem. Hmm? Just to
Yes,
check
sir.
the range once again. See here now. I'll going to copy this and paste it here. So I'll execute it. Okay, it is executed. We'll take second program, second this thing student. Okay, so I'll copy it and paste it. I'm not going to explain because already it is explained the creation of tables. Here I have created the table, so let me execute it. So again this will also executes. Okay, it is executed. This is the third table, author table. Then we will take book table. There are 5 tables. Okay, it is also created. Then okay, this also is that book is created. Okay, now last table, borrow table. Okay, all these tables, see here now. Okay, all these tables are created: branch table, student table, then book table, author table and borrow table. We have created branch table first, okay, because it is not having any foreign keys. Then we have created the student table. Their primary key is USN number and branch ID is the foreign key. Okay, so that's why we have created branch table first. Then author table we have created third table, because in book table we have a author ID, So we need a author id, that's why we're going to create author table first. So we have created author table. Okay, in that author id is the primary key. Okay, and other things are the thing, author name, country and age. So then fourth table we have created is book. Okay, where book id is the primary key and branch id and author id, these two are the foreign keys. Okay, then last table which you have created is borrow. Okay, in this borrow table usn and book id together, both together, it is a primary keys, both of them are primary keys. Okay, so book id is individually it is a foreign key and usn is also a foreign key. Got it? For this table we have created these tables. Now we are going to insert the values for these tables. Okay, see here now, I'll going to insert the values for these tables and I'll going to display it. Okay, the content of the table. So you have to, in book, you roughly you draw the table like this: branch table, branch id, branch name and hod as the table heading. Okay, column headings. Okay, and insert the values for those which we are entering in the table now. Okay, then only, because when we are executing the query, so that you can, there you can understand. Got it? So that's why I am telling you. Now I'll going to insert the values. I'll going to insert the values. First we're going to insert the values for branch table. Okay, I'll going to directly, I'll going to execute all these queries, all this 1 2 3 4 5 rows. Control C, see, I'll going to execute it. So now we have entered 5 values for 5 rows for that branch table. Yes, these are executed. Now see here, select start from branch. Select start from branch. It will display all the values which you have inserted in the branch table. Yes, see here, all of you enter these values in your table, in write down these things in the book. Okay, this is, what is this? Branch id, branch name and hod. Okay, first branch id is 1, branch name is mca, hod is ramesh. Branch id is 2, branch name is cs, then hod is ramya. Then branch id is 3, then department is enc, then raju is the this and hod. Fourth branch id and mechanical, then girish is the hod. And 5 branch id is 5, department is a, branch name is a and hod is deepa. So you enter all these values, write down these values in the table, roughly you write down. All of you are writing down? All of you are doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Write down. Write down. Once it is done, please let me know. Once you finish, you tell me that, sir, I have finished, so that only I can.
Sir, finished, sir.
Okay, then others. Lina, over.
Finished, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kiran, Sumaya,
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
done. Soumya, Ria, and Snehal,
Yes,
completed. Ria,
yes, sir.
okay. Snehal,
The screen is not visible.
okay. You get it from your friend. Snail.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then now I'll going to insert the values for which student table. Here purposefully I have inserted many number of student information. Control C, and here I'll going to insert these values. So let me execute. Okay, now we'll see. Sorry, select star from student. See, these are the values. The first column is student USN number, then student name, then student address, then what is this? 4 is what? 4 is what? 4 is branch ID, in which branch he or she is studying and in which semester he is studying. Example 2AZME001, it is the USN number of a student. Samarth is the name of that student. He is from Belgavi, okay, and he is studying in 4th department. Branch ID is 4, which is the 4, here it is mechanical, okay, and he is studying in the 8th semester. Like this you enter all the values. Don't miss any of these, because our results, our outputs depends on these things. Once you finished off, let me know. Just to reply saying that don't text. Unmute your microphone and tell that, sir, we finished. Many a times we create the tables and we insert the values and we execute the queries. But sometimes when we execute the query and see the output, we feel that whether it is correct or not. Okay, for that confusion, inserting the proper values is must. Inserting the proper values. Okay, randomly I have not taken university seat number as 1 2 3 4 like this. Got it? So branch id I have taken it as a 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and your university seat numbers are like your VTU university seat numbers, as of it is varchar data type. Okay, semester, then branch id. All of you finished?
Yes, sir. Finished. Sir.
Okay, Ria is finished.
Sir, what, sir?
Sujit over.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Lina, don't use scale now. Lina?
Complete.
Don't use scale, pencil and all those things. Later you can do it. Okay. Soumya and Sumaya.
Complete, sir. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Done. Done. Then we'll go for third table, that is author. I'll going to insert 4 values for author table. What happened? Okay, the values are inserted. Now select star from, what is that, author, author. Okay, we'll see the result. See, these are the 4 authors we entered. 4 authors. Write down. Here author ID I have taken it as a 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Got it? Just to avoid the confusion, because branch ID is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the author IDs are 11 22 33 44. Got it? Just to avoid the confusion. If you have taken author ID also 1 2 3 4, so you will get confusion later that whether it is a branch ID or this author ID. To avoid that confusion, I have taken this. Okay, 11 is the first author, Nawate. He is from USA, country is USA, and he is 50 years old. 22 is the author ID, Rajesh is the second author, and he is belonging to India, then 65-year-old. 33 Kotur, he is also from India, then he is of 55 age. 44 is the author ID, Ramesh, then belongs to India, then 42 is age.
Completed, sir.
Done. Soumya, Sumaya, Lina,
Yes,
Riya.
sir.
Okay.
हाँ सर कंप्यूटर सर.
Yes.
Over sir.
Done. Then we'll enter the values for book now. Okay. So I'm going to enter the values for the book. Control C. So let me execute. We'll insert the values for book. Okay, books are inserted. Now select the star from book. Select star from book. Okay, we'll execute. We have 6 books. Now, see here, these are the 6 books we have entered here. See here now. Here book ID I have taken, even though this is also integer, author ID is also integer and branch ID is also integer. Here to avoid the confusion, branch IDs I have taken it as a 1 2 3 4 5. Author IDs I have taken it as a 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, and book ID I have taken it as a 100 200 300 400 500 600. Got it? Like this 6 books I have entered. Okay, 100 is a first book ID. Thus book title is DBMS, and 11 is what author ID, who has written that Nawate has written. Then publisher is Pearson, and 1 is what branch ID. 1 is a branch ID, which branch this books belongs to, that is for MCA. 200 it's a book ID, database is the subject title of that book, and 22 is the author, who is the 22 Rajesh. Okay, and it is published by Springer, and 2 is the department, which is that CS department. Got it? Like this 6 books. All of you have taken?
Yes, sir.
Take it.
Yes sir.
Same names. Okay. Only you have to take. All of you have taken?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. Soumya, Sumaya, Riya.
Over sir.
Okay. Now we'll insert the values for borrow. Okay, borrow table. Yes, books are inserted. Then we'll see select. this borrowed table, you take these values. Here the student ID 2AZME001, he has taken which book 100, that is DBMS, okay, on 16th June 2021. Okay, like this you enter all the values. There is a register number, book ID and date of book issue.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Okay.
Over, sir.
Over.
Complete, sir.
Okay. Lena, over.
Completed, sir.
Answer.
Okay. Sumaya, Soumya.
Yes, sir. Over, sir.
Okay. Fine. Fine. See, now we have inserted all the values for these tables, 5 tables. Got it? Now we'll execute the queries. We'll execute the query. See, let me take that query. Yeah, let me take here only. Yeah, this is the first query. What is this query? See here now. List the details of the student. Okay, I want the student USN number, name, address, branch ID, semester. Okay, list the details of the student who are studying in second semester MCA. Those who are studying in the MCA second semester, I need all their information. That is the thing. Okay, so see here now. Here in this table, hope you are able to see it. Now, here I'll get only, I need get the information of this table. From this table I'll get the USN number, name, address, branch ID, semester. But I need the only who are studying in MCA. I need only that too in the second semester. I don't want all the students' information. I don't want the fourth semester or first semester or third semester, fifth semester. I need only the MCA who are studying in second semester. Okay, so first we need to get the values who are the studying in or branch ID from the branch table. Okay, which is belonging to MCA. So I need to combine this. So I need, what is the branch ID for MCA? What is the branch ID for MCA? From your
One,
table,
sir.
huh?
1.
1. Okay, see, I need that one first here. Okay, so that I'll get which is branch name is MCA and I'll get that branch ID from that table. Then here in this table, which are all branch IDs are 1111. Okay, I'll going to choose only those columns and semester should be 2. See, if you are, it is raining heavily here. Okay, let me take this. See here now, where is it? Okay, see here now, where these are the last but one column is branch id. Here it is a branch id is 1, so Sujit is also studying in second semester. Last one is semester. Then here, what is this? Soumya, she is also studying in second semester MCA. 1 is there means branch id is 1 means MCA. Then second this column also it should be 2 only. Got it? Then here Sumaya, she is also studying in MCA because branch id is 1. Here Kiran, he is also studying in what is that MCA because branch id is 1. And what is this? Ria is also studying in MCA, branch id is 1. Here Lena is also studying in MCA. Okay, branch id is 1. Here in this table branch id is 2, that is CS. I don't want that. Here branch id is 5, probably it is AI department, artificial intelligence department. I don't want. Here it is branch id is 3, that is ENC. I don't want. Here also it is 3, I don't want. So wherever the branch IDs are 1, I need those values. And here fortunately all the semesters who are studying in MCA, only second semester is there. So we need to get those values. So for that, query is like this. See here. Let me execute this and explain. Let me execute. Yes, I got the values. See here now. These are the values. This is the details of the student, register number, name, address, and in which branch he is studying, and this, what is that, semester. So here all of them are branch ID is 1, semester is 2. Branch ID is 1, semester is 2. Branch ID is 1, semester is 2. Branch ID is 1, semester 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. See, 1 is MCA and ID is, sorry, semester is 2, second semester. This is what our query is. So for that we have written the query like this. Okay, so let me explain here by copying it here. Yeah, now, so here in this executing the query, there are some terms, okay, terminologies or this thing I will not going to explain in detail, because shortly we are in theory classes, we will go to discuss in detail about that. Okay, so see here now, select star from student, because I need all the columns of a student. So that's why we got register number, name of the student, and address of the student, and branch ID and semester, all the values. So hence I need all the columns, that's why I have taken star from student, star select star from student. Got it? What is the condition? Where is the clause? Okay, the condition should be semester should be 2. Here we are having that in that table semester is there, no last. Wherever 2 is there, sometimes somewhere it is 8, somewhere it is 6, somewhere it is 1 or 3, something like this. Okay, wherever semester value is 2, no, I'll going to choose only those. I'll going to choose only those from the student table. check your student table which is having the wherever the 2 is there, it will going to select only that, and is there. Okay, it is like a, as in the morning Abhishek has discussed and or, so now I am not going to stress much on that. Okay, it is like a your and or this thing. So logical and. Now here branch ID, I want branch ID. Which branch ID you need? Okay, I should get it from in where I should get it from the branch table. See here now, there is one more query here. There is one more query here. Select. Okay, this is called as inside. This is inner query. This is called as inner query. Here I want to select the branch ID. Okay, from the branch table. I want to select only branch ID. Only I need branch ID column. Okay, only in that branch table, branch ID is there, branch name is there, HOD is there. I don't want branch name and this thing. What is that? One more, HOD. I don't want their name. I need only branch ID. Okay, from which table? From branch table. So what is the condition? Where branch name must be equals to MCA. Wherever MCA is there, no, that branch ID I want it. So from this table you will get, from this table you get, from this inner query you will get all the branch IDs. Wherever MCA is there, no, you will get it like this table. Wherever this is BID, you will get this kind of table from this. Okay, you will get like this. This is the table which you get it from this inner query. Okay, assume that there are 4 students who are studying in MCA, where branch ID, because MCA is 1. Okay, wherever that ID is there, no, equals to, if it is MCA C, if you take it as a CS, you will get it as a 2, because CS branch ID is 2. So now it is like this. So this column now is compared with the branch ID in the student table. Student table is also having the branch ID column. So this column and this column are compared. This column and this column are compared. Okay, wherever that this thing is there, no, okay, 1 and this one, because here this branch ID is only for the MCA. Okay, how do you come to know? This is from the branch table, because in the student table we don't know which branch it is. Only IDs we are having. We don't have a branch names. That's why we got branch name from the branch table. Then from that table only the branch IDs of MCA we have taken. So that one is compared with this branch ID which is there in the student, Now this ID and this ID, because let me explain. Actually we need a table for that. If it is a table, so it will be more helpful. Here, see here now. Here it will take only, because from this is the branch table. This is the branch table. Here MCA. From this table I come to know that 1 is the branch ID for MCA. So I took that. Okay. Here in the student table, in this student table, here last but one column is there, no, 4 1 1 1 1, like this. This is all branch IDs. So now we got from the inner query, we came to know that 1 is the branch ID for a MCA. So I'll go to compare where this and that. If both 4 is equals to 1, no. Okay, in is equals to equivalent, equals to, got it? So 1 equals to 1, yes, you select this. Then 1 equals to 1, you select this third row, Soumya. Then 1 equals to 1, yes, select this Sumaya. Okay, 1 equals to 1, select this Kiran. 1 equals to 1, yes, select this Ria. Okay, 1 equals to 1, select Lina. Okay, now here 2 is there. This 2 is not equals to 1. Hence, I am not going to take this Kiran by Bagalkot. Kiran from Bagalkot, because he is not studying in MCA, he is studying in CS branch. Okay, similarly Raju, his branch ID is 5, he is studying in AI department, but it is 5 is equals to 1, no, so reject it. So 3 is equals to 1, no, reject it. And here also 3 is there, 3 is equals to 1, no, reject it. Wherever branch IDs are 1, so it will going to take that thing. So you separate these tables. Okay, separate. See, if I take this, what happens? If I take this now, assume that this, see here now, this student is studying in, here it is 4 means it is not a MCA, so it will not going to selected, it is deleted. So 1 is there, it is selected. So here also 1 is there, it is selected. So let me show you. So yes, this is here, this and this. Okay, these tuples are selected because here branch IDs are 1. Okay, here in this, here branch ID is 2, so it is not selected. Here it is branch ID is 5, it is not selected. Here it is branch ID is 3, it is not selected. Here also it is branch ID is 3, it is not selected. Got it? So from that table we got only these values. Now only these values. Still we need to execute one more. What is that query? See here now, where semester equals to 2, where semester equals to 2 and branch ID equals to 1. See here now, we got all the values which are branch ID is 1. Now suppose in case if it is 4, if it is 3, then among these we will going to select only this one, because already these are all of them are having the branch ID is 1. I want only second semester, so last column is 2 semester, so I'll going to take this because semester is 2. Here it is a third semester, I'll not going to choose. Okay, here it is a second semester, I'll going to consider. Then as an output, here it is a 4, so I don't want fourth semester, I want only second semester. That's why it is also second semester and it is also second semester. Hence, see, out of these things here in this example, so blue colored only tuples are selected for the output. Got it? Red color because here it is fourth semester, here it is a, even though MCA, they are studying in MCA, but they are studying in third semester and they are studying in, he is studying in fourth semester. So these two are not considered. Got it? But in your example, there are no third semester or this thing, all of them are studying in second semester only. That's why all the values are taken it as an output. Okay, is this query is understood, all of you? Is this
Yes, sir.
query is understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Soumya, Riya, Sumaya, any
Yes, sir.
doubt? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Fine. Okay. So when you execute that, this is the output. This is the output. See here now, all the 4 students who are studying in MCA branch and second semester. This is how we got the output. Now see, you have to execute these queries, then only you can understand. So whatever you have taken in the table, no, so there are some more 2 more students, Ria and Lina also is there. Yes. Okay, set it right later. What is the second query? What is the second query? See here now, list the students who are not borrowed any books. I want to make a list of students who has not taken any books from the library. I need those student information. I need their register number, their name, address, branch ID and semester. All the things. Got it? So, this is the thing now. See here now. These are the students who have not taken any books from the library. Check it, all of you, in your table, just to see there whether these students have taken the books or not. See, let me explain. Okay, select star from student. I needed the student details, so I'll go to make this select star from student. Now, what is the condition? Where is the condition? USN is not in. See here now. In means it is equals to. Not in means it is not equals to. Okay. So, if any of the students have taken the books, then it will be there in the borrow table. It is there in the borrow table, that student number, USN number. If it is not there, then it means that he has not taken the books. See here now, first we select the USN from the borrow table. Select the USN from the borrow table. See, where is that borrow table? Let me take it. Let me take this. Where it is? Yeah. Yeah. Where is borrow table? Let me execute it. Select. Sorry. Select star from borrow. Okay. So what happened to this? BRROW, correct, no? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I want to execute. Oh. Two times I have written select star from borrow. That's why it has shown two times. Okay. So better it is how many times it has shown. Yeah. Borrow table is here. Yeah. These are the values of the borrows. Control C. Select the star from borrow. Let me make it smaller. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'll copy it. See here now. When you execute this query, select USN from the borrow table. So let me execute that only. Okay. Select USN where it is. Select USN from borrow. Yes. Execute. I'll get only USN numbers. I'll get only USN numbers. See now. These are the USN numbers. They have taken books. These people have taken books. See, these people have taken books. See, these people have taken the books. See, how many students have taken the book? Any one of you? How many students have taken the books? I am asking you, how many students are
Three,
there?
sir. Three.
Three students. Totally how many students are there? How many students are there in your table?
7, sir.
7, sir.
7. There are 7 students, right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. 7, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Check. There are 11 students. Totally there are 11 students in your student table. Am I right or wrong? There are 11
Yes, sir.
students.
Total 11 students.
Out of 11 students, how many students have taken the book?
3.
See now. Here 2AG ME001, he has taken number of books, different books. Here he has taken 4 books, it seems. 2AGME 001, 2AGME001, he has taken these many times. Okay, so we consider remove. I want to remove these 3. So hence 2AGCS, that is, this is one student. Here is a MCA student. Here it is one more MCA student with the register number 5. This register number is a 1 MCA students, and this is mechanical students with the register number 1. See, totally out of 11 students, only these 4 students have taken the books. Right? Am I right? Okay. Now, this is when you execute, you got this. You got this value, this table, these four values. Now here select star from the student. I want to select the student. So here I am going to compare USN number. Okay, here see here now, which are those USN numbers? Let me execute this query. Select, what is that, USN from student. Select USN from, only I need USN number here. For time being, I'm going to take this for your explanation purpose. Okay, so let me execute. Okay, I think from here was it correct? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 2ME0. Okay, from here C, control C. Now when I execute that, okay, when I execute from the select star from star, not star from, USN from the student, I got this. I got this table. I got this one. Okay. See here now, I got these are the different students. Now I want only those students who are not there here. Okay, if it is equals to, if it is not there, this not is not there, okay, not exist, then we will going to choose only the matching equals to 2AGMC 2AGCS004. Here it is also there, so I'll going to consider this. Now I need such a value here, these two should not be there, like intersection. If it is there in this, so I have to remove it. So here 2AGCS04, 2AGCS04, this is not, it is already there, so I will going to remove it. Okay, so 2AGMCA01, 2AGMCA01, it is also there, I will going to remove it. Okay, 2AGMCA05, 2AGMCA05, it is also there, so I will going to remove it. So 2AGME001, so it is also there, so I will going to remove it. So now you check it, how many students are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, these 7 students have not taken any books, have not borrowed any books from the library. Only these 4 students have borrowed the books from the library. So there are totally 11 students. Out of 11, 4 students have taken and 7 students have not taken. So their information, their university receipt number and name, then this thing, okay, branch ID and their semester will be displayed. Is it clear now? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt? Dear friends, see, if you not understood, please ask me once again. I'll try to explain. I'll try to convey the things which you are not following. Got it? So this is what. So when you execute this, so these are the, sorry, where is that? 7 students details. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. From where it is? So let me execute once again. Okay. Select star from student. Where is branch? Is that? No. Here it is. Select star from student where not in this. When you execute this, so you will get the student details. Those who have not taken the books. You got it now. Yes. See here now. These 7 student information you got. Okay. Let me check whether I have explained. See here now. Let me copy it here. Okay. Now. See here now. Let me check this 2AG MCA. What is this? 2AG. Yeah. From where we got this? Is it there? Such. Okay. AI it is. AI. Okay. So 2AG AI 015. Okay. Is this there in this? Yeah. Here it is there. This student have not taken the book. Okay. This is over now. Second, this 2AG EC03. 2AG EC03. This student is also have not taken the book. Okay. 35. 2AG EC35. Here also it is there. This student have also not taken the book. Okay. 2AG MCA 03. 2AG MCA 03. Where is that? Soumya also not taken the book. Okay. Then 2AG MCA 04. 2AG MCA 04. Kiran Bilingual. He has also not taken the book. And 2AG MCA 06. Where is that? This. Leena Chandigarh. From Chandigarh. She has also not taken the book. These 7 students have not taken the books. Got it? So here 02 is there. 02 is Sumaya. Okay. Sumaya has also not taken the book. See, there are 7 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 students have not taken any books. Is it clear now? Understood?
Yes, sir.